My favorite room is the living room area, which is just full of sun, you know, the 2 stories worth of windows. It's just, the energy is fabulous.
That's good.
Yeah, I mean, it was dealing with Deck House was easy. The materials obviously came down and were very good quality, and they came on time.
And we actually used a boat builder for part of the building, and he was thrilled with the materials, and his craftsmanship was great.
The material, the quality of the materials.
The energy in the house also. You have all the sunshine, you wake up, you have fabulous sunshine, you're part of the environment, you're living in the woods, you know, you're just part of your environment all the time.
But I liked the materials. The materials were so unique, and when people come in, that's one of the first things they remark about when they see the materials. One of the biggest things is just our front door, which is a waffle type solid mahogany, and no one has ever seen that. When builders or subcontractors come in now for any reason, they just look at it and they go, oh my God, what a door. But the other thing is, as I said to someone, I mean, we withstood 2 hurricanes, multiple nor'easters, never had a single bit of problem with leakage of things. The house is well built, materials are done well for the time.